Hello, my name is Tanushree Chatterjee. I'm a Ph.D. student at the Woody L. Hunt College of Business. My field of study is organizational behavior and human resource management. I'm currently in my 5th year of my studies, so I'm currently applying for jobs, wrapping up my dissertation work, my research work. Something that inspired me to join graduate education was the fact that I was working for about 4 years before pursuing my graduate studies, and I realized that I was very curious about how organizations work, how leadership works, what is the research that is going around in these areas. And I figured that I definitely want to pursue a master's and maybe in the future a PhD. So I've been a grad student for quite a long time now. It's been 7 years now that I'm a grad student, and the last 5 years has been here at UTEP with my PhD. I had no research background before coming to UTEP, so my journey here has been solely focused on research in the beginning and then with teaching. Both of those I had absolutely no idea about before. And initially I found quite a few good mentors who are researching on topics that are important to me. Things like inclusivity, things like leadership, organizational behavior. I got to partner with them for the first 2 years and then settle on a project of my own that I'm pursuing. So the research that I have conducted here has been very challenging at the beginning, but I slowly grasped how to go about it. I think the sections that stood out for me was attending conferences. So I went to quite a few management conferences, which were probably the highlight of my year. Preparing for the paper or preparing for maybe a doctoral consortium that I might be attending, and then going to different places, meeting others in my area, other professors, connecting with them. And then the graduate school as well as my department have both supported me quite a lot with funding for attending these opportunities. So that has been quite, I would say that has been my highlight. So I'm involved with the Graduate Student Assembly, the GSA, as well as the Indian Association of Students. For the GSA, I am the outgoing secretary and treasurer. So I've worked with the GSA for the past year or so. The GSA has been really helpful to connect with other graduate students because a lot of the times we tend to stay within our departments and within our programs, and every time I've gone out and been part of these events, I've had the opportunity to see other graduate students and basically, hear about their troubles or their solutions that they have found to their problems. And a lot of the times, they're the same problems that we are all dealing with. So GSA has really been helpful to understand what everyone is feeling, basically. And the fact that a lot of the previous GSA members have all passed out, so we had to start from scratch, get all the things done. So maintaining a student organization definitely is another part of the development that I had experienced here. The resources that I've received, especially in terms of mentorship, have been really helpful for me. Even beyond my department, I have been involved with, say, UTEP Inspire, for example, which used to be the CFLD when I started working with them. And they had quite a few programs that were initially set up just for faculty, but I got through to them and then asked them to extend it to me. And then now graduate students also get those same opportunities, which was not available earlier. So those things have been really helpful because it helps me understand what's going on in the UTEP community, what other departments are doing in terms of their research, what department chairs, leaders in their departments in their schools. I've had the opportunity to work with them or speak to them, see their work. Those things have been really instrumental in understanding, basically broadening my horizon of just management.